You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, a medical term if you want to learn more names from Latin scientific vocabulary. Make sure to stay tuned, I've got many more for you at the end of the video. There are two different ways of pronouncing it in English, two different pronunciations. Abruptio, but abruptio is also accepted, so both pronunciations are correct. Abruptio or abruptio. Abruptio. Which one do you normally use? Let us know in the comments, that'd be interesting to know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.